Ratty, what do you have to say for yourself?
Surprise!
Surprise?
Yeah, happy surprise!
Ratty, I'm not sure if I'm happy surprised or bewildered surprised. Well, I didn't even know this baby was coming. So, yes, I'm very surprised. Yes, Ratty.
Kimberly cocoon baby?
Yes, I see it's a Kimberly's cocoon baby. I see her folder here with all her info, and I see her bag and hand sanitizer.
Yeah, for hand, not baby.
Yes, for the hands. Our hands are not the baby. And I see a handkerchief, and I see a beautiful a thermal striped onesie.
Mama, nah, stripes.
Yes, I do love stripes. And I see this other beautiful, it's like a baseball jersey, long sleeves. But I'm still trying to wrap my head around how you have this baby. No, Ratty, we're not supposed to keep secrets from each other. So who did this? Who brought this baby into the nest?
Big Loring.
Big Loring?
Yeah, Big Loring.
No.
Yeah. Honey, I need a full brush.
You needed a new fur brush, and Big Loring bought a fur brush for you from Kimberly.
Yeah, the baby come.
The baby came with a fur brush.
Yeah, funny, huh?
Yeah, funny. You know what? Let's talk about this later, and let's get your baby out of its cocoon.
Yeah, good idea.
All right, Ratty. Well, you want to do the baby first, so we're going to do the baby first, and then we'll look at everything that Kimberly sent with your little baby, because we know there are things that are very special.
Yeah, Ma, I pull the ribbons.
Okay, you pull the ribbon.
Man, help.
I'll pull the other. Now, I don't know what you named this little baby, but should we wait till the end?
Mama, wait.
Okay, we'll wait till the end. But they always come with a beautiful little butterfly and a little rattle. Well, it's not a heart. What is that? That's right, a butterfly. Okay, so are you ready? Okay. Yeah, the zebras have the stripes too. This is a really pretty muslin blanket. Yeah, it looks like a little blanket is stuck. Here, I'll pull it this way. Let me keep pulling. Oh, I think this little baby is cocoon to cocoon. There you go. And we only have just that one side, huh? Okay. Yep. Oh, you're almost there. Why don't you just let me help?
Okay.
Here we go. I think Kimberly sent you a Trixie blanket. Okay. Oh! That's Ratty. Ratty, he's as big as you. He's very cute and soft. And so big. Hello, I'm Mr. Moose. Oh, yes, your baby. Wow, he's beautiful. Hey, now wait a minute. Now I can't see. Oh, wow, Ratty, he is stunning. Oh, another little sleeper. Oh, he holds your finger. It is very cute. And he has his little wooden beaded bracelet. Oh, yes, Ratty. Look at the fingers on this little hand. Oh, they're all open. Isn't that darling? That's right. Look at the little nails. Oh, they're too cute. Oh, yes. His face is absolutely beautiful. And Ratty, look at those lips.
Hungry.
Yeah, he must be hungry. Oh, and you know how I feel about those little elf ears. Oh, yes, this one is certainly a little elfish, isn't it? And look at his gorgeous hair. Oh, yes, I'm pretty sure that Kimberly sent a hairbrush with him. Now, mind you, a hairbrush and not a fur brush. Oh, he's so cute. Are you going to tell us his name? Not yet. Well, let's look at what he's wearing, because I love this long sleeve onesie. It sure does have a horse. It's a silhouette of a horse. And do you see what else he's wearing? That's right. He's got a beautiful pair of overalls. And guess what? That's right. They have stripes. And they're connected to these beautiful blue jeans. And look at the crocheted booties. You want to see the foot? Well, let's see if he has socks on. Yep, he has socks on. Okay, let's take this off, and then I'll show you his toes. They're cowboy boots. And it is cool. Look at that. They're little crocheted cowboy boots. Now that is darling. You want cowboy boots too? Okay, I'll pull the socks. Oh, there's one foot.
I see another.
That's right, you see another. Oh, baby, look at your feet. You know what, Ratty? I just realized that I had called these overalls and they're suspenders. And he's also wearing his cross. Yeah, all the babies come home with a little cross. So there's his little cross. All right, so let's start with the packages. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, it does have a sticker. All right, so what do you got here? This is very cute. Okay, isn't that cute? And of course, I love the kimono style. So this is a beautiful long sleeve white slumber sack or sleeping sack. All right. No, it's not a fur brush. Will you give me that? Of course, we all know this is a Kimberly's Cocoon hairbrush. No, and I think we all know that we use these for mohair, even though Ratty seems to think otherwise. It has a little name on it, too. Yes, they are perfect. So we have that for his hair. Okay. Can I help you open it? Okay. So this is a little blue organza bag. And inside, it looks like we have a pair of very warm, snuggly socks. Yeah, they're very, very warm because they're very, very soft. I can tell they'd be very, very warm. And then we also have his little, what do you call that? A chupo. Yep, a chupo. It's his pacifier. And looks beautiful on him. And then he also has a little nipple. And these are one of the, I believe they're a no-hole nipple. Or this one might want to actually have them. Is that one no? 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 Yes? I can't tell. I think this one does have a hole. But that's perfect because we can always use that on our bottles. Okay, we'll put the chupo back in here. Because we do like looking at the babies' faces, don't we? All right. What else? have a bottle. Would say a blue bottle. And what do we have on here? And we have a little rubber duck. And who's that? It's a puppy. And inside there we have, oh my goodness, I see something that's just for me. Now, Ratty, what do we say about sharing?
Nothing.
All right, thank you. And so we have some candies in there that we will be sharing. What else? Oh, yes, I see it's a book. Can I turn it around? It is a Mr. Jeremy Fisher book. Oh, I love these books. That's right, it's a Beep Beep Scooter. Okay, you got another package. You're pulling all this paper everywhere, Ratty. I know you're excited. All right. All right, well, that just went about flying everywhere. Oh, can I show them? So it looks like we've got some pants. Ratty's correct. And, uh-oh, what do they got? Stripes. I don't know why that word's so hard for you to say. And it looks like they are a brown and black horizontal striped pants. Aren't they great? And here's the shirt that goes with it. Oh, it's this beautiful green long sleeve onesie. And it has little what? Beep, 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 beep. Beep beeps. I thought you said beep beeps were birds. Yeah, they're cars. And we have a blue, a yellow, and a red one. Wow, that is so, so cute. Look how beautiful that is against your little baby, your little unnamed baby. Okay, we're going to wait to the end. All right, next package. Okay, we'll bring it out. I got stuck, okay. All right, here you go. You see a note, okay? It says, hold on a second. Uh-oh, I see hair again. You stay up there for right now, buddy. It says, to Master Ratty Esquire, love, Kimberly. It looks like it is for you. Okay, you go pull the ribbon. Okay, I'll pull the other. All right, there you go. Yeah, here, you're going to need help, buddy. Because the ribbon is tied in there. Okay, well, you know, sometimes it's just better if you just let me help. All right, I'll get it for you. Because it's kind of stuck. Oh, it's got another piece of tissue. That's why I was helping you, sweetheart. All right, it has a little handmade with love. And then here you go. You can open this part. Wow! Whoa! What is this?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness, Ratty! I don't know if this is for you or not. Do you see what this is? It is a robe. A fancy robe. But that's not all of it. No. Look at this, Ratty.
It's my crown.
You're gonna kiss your little crown. You're a king, Master Ratty Esquire. All right, I'll help you put it on. I'm so glad that you're happy. I know you're happy, sweetheart. Just make sure it doesn't come off. Okay, you put your robe on.
Hurry.
Okay, I'm gonna hurry. Hurry.
Hurry.
Okay, put it on behind you. All right. Well, let me tie it here too. Okay. Yes, Ratty.
Come on. Love me.
I think she does love you. Yes, Ratty. I'll say you're fancy. You're royalty now.
Royalty.
Now, don't think that I'll be bowing down to you, though. When are you so happy to be royalty? You're not going to finish going through your packages? What are you going to watch? So now that you're king, you're just going to sit and watch?
Okay.
So now you're going to sit there and watch me open the rest of the gifts?
Okay.
I can't believe we're giving up gift opening. Well, there's not too much in here, luckily. There's just this. We have 2 packages, and of course we have all our beautiful confetti. That's right, we have little horses and little diaper pins. Look at everything. It is very fun, and we love. Oh, look, here, this one says baby. So we're gonna put these with our other funfetti. I always say we're gonna put them on a little tree. Well, now I have enough to decorate an entire tree, don't we? Okay. Inside the bag is something that smells incredibly delicious. You want to smell it? That's right, it's a Zumbar. And oh, you can smell it all the way from outside of the bag, can't you? And this one looks like it's called, or smells, grapefruit. Oh, sorry. And then, also inside we have, it says sticky prayers. Let's open it up and see real quick. It says, sticky prayers. Stick a prayer anywhere. And there's 3 sticky notepads. Oh, and it opens, okay. And we see that we can leave prayers all over the home so that we can always be reminded of God's love and promise, huh?
Good idea.
It is a good idea, and we will use these, won't we? I'm glad that you love it. Okay, so we have one more. Looks like we have one more tissue paper wrapped gift. So you're going to let me open this?
Let me think about it.
What's there to think about? I thought you were king.
Okay, you know it.
Oh, you're too kind. So, we're going to undo our little sticker. Should I do it Ratty way or my way? Okay. If I do it my way, I do it a little less energetically. I'm getting there. I see a teddy bear too. Oh, look how so soft. That's right, it is an outfit. We have a white onesie with blue trim. And look, here's a little bear. And he says, oh, it's a teddy. A teddy. That's right. And he says, I love my mommy. And it comes with little blue pants, too. It does have stripes. Blue and white stripes. And it even has a little hat, too. Oh, I love when Kimberly includes these. They smell good, don't they? And here's his little cat. Cat, excuse me. I didn't mean to say cat. I meant to say cat. All right, so I think that is it, Ratty. We have these beautiful outfits and beautiful gifts. And you, well, royalty now. Master Ratty, Esquire the King. Well, Ratty, you're becoming to be a mouthful of names, aren't you? All right. We get to say the baby's name now. All right, well, let me clean up a little bit here. And then we'll surprise everybody with the baby name, especially me. All right, you get the ornament. All right, you have your ornament. Wow, yes it does. I see that. Rayhan Simum. Well, I've never heard of that name, Ratty. You picked a name from Pokemon? Well, I have to be honest. I don't know anything about Pokemon, Ratty. What is Rayhan? Brown skin. He works in a gym. He has power of sand. Like a sandstorm. My goodness. Yes, what about Simum? Oh, it means a sandstorm in Africa, a Simum. Oh, I see how you put the names together. All right, well, I really like his name, Rayhan Simum. And I see now on his birth certificate that Kimberly sent, it indeed says Rayhan Simum. And he was born at 11:09 in the morning on the 17th of December. He was 6 pounds, 2 ounces, and he's 17 inches long. Well, he is definitely cute. Yes, Ratty. Am I angry at you? Oh, no, Ratty. I could never be angry at you, but I might be disappointed sometimes. But I think as long as we talk through things, I think we can come to an understanding where we both are forgiving of each other, right? Yes, Ratty. I think that's a good idea, Ratty. I think it's good that you do ask for help or have a discussion instead of doing things behind my back. All right, well, we want to thank everybody for joining us. Ratty promises he's not going to be all sneaky ever again, right? And we want to thank Kimberly for her beautiful baby. We always ask God to bless her hands and her heart and her family. And we want to wish everyone a beautiful day. We want to thank you for joining us. And as always, and also with you, Ratty.
Bye.